Hello arty people, how are you today? I'm Unikitty and today I'm going to be talking to you about Witch Week. When I went to draw this Moon Witch girl, I don't know why, but I wanted to draw a character with a hood. After I did this first sketch, I thought I could make it look like a movie poster, with a side profile of her in the background and the front view in the foreground. But when I drew the front-facing girl holding the moon, I really liked it and decided to go with that idea for the finished drawing. I really like storytelling and creative writing, so whenever I get the chance to incorporate it with my artworks, I always take it. Originally, I wasn't going to put a story with the witches because I wasn't using the same character for all the prompts. When I was participating in Magic Manifest Week, there was a lot of comments and feedback that people were shocked that there wasn't a story with my artworks. So I decided it would be a nice touch, and backed by popular demand, to have a storyline with each of the witches. I think that it is so cool that a lot of participants have been inspired to add stories to their artworks. So please go check them out in the link below. I'm not sure when I started doing this, but Procreate has a super cool feature where you can drop photos in from your camera roll into your canvas, which is what I did to achieve that galaxy pattern in the background and the moon texture on the orb she's holding. Please enjoy my Moon Witch story from Instagram. Once a girl sat beneath the stars, her hair as bright as silver and eyes as cold as ice. The girl had always dreamed of other worlds, magical places filled with unknown adventures. A young wizard gazed upon the girl one night and instantly fell in love with her and her wondrous curiosity. He would show her all sorts of mystical feats in attempts to win her heart, until one day he made her the moon. The girl loved the moon just like she loved the wizard. One day the wizard left her, off on a mighty quest to fulfill his wizard training, and never returned. She cried so much she filled the planet below with her tears and created the ocean, which followed her from the moon wherever she went, as if it was tied to her. If you would like to see the rest, please check them out on Instagram by searching the hashtag. Have a creative day, everybody. Bye!